Hello, welcome back to this channel. If you are visiting this channel first time, then please welcome. Okay, let me tell you my name. My name is Pragati Mishra. I am from Uttar Pradesh and it's been 3 months to practice English. When I started this practice, it was January. Okay, so I would like to tell my progress. My dear friends, in January when I started, it was very difficult for me. Actually, I was thinking about it, I was planning about it before 1 to 2 months before. It means in 2025 from November, I was planning, but I can't decide. I was unable in deciding exact date that from which date should I practice. By scrolling through many videos, I watched so many videos, approximately 5 to 10 videos in a day, continuously for 1 week. Then I decided finally I should open this channel. And when I created this channel, I made a promise to myself, whatever the views I get, I will continue. Hope exceptions applied only when I am unable or I can't speak anymore, or if if there is an emergency so that I could not make that video, then only the videos will unavailable. Otherwise, I continuously upload. So my dear friends, in my today's video, previously I had shared real talk, okay, regarding my learnings. In my today's video, I'm gonna share you that what are the methods I am applying nowadays. So many times I had told you about my methods, but in my today's video I'm gonna reshare, or you can say I'm gonna re-upload this. Okay, so my dear friends, initially I was focusing on my listening skills. If I have a good listening skill, then only I can be able to understand the words what the speaker is saying. And the habit was like a madly I focus on the words of speaker, because initially when you listen any word, those words are not clearly. Oh, sorry, my video got paused, but it now okay. So I focused on the subtitles, okay, and by doing so, I improved my listening skills. And after listening skills, the writing skills is very important, which we had learnt about writing since our school, okay. So I believe we all have writing skills, listening skills, writing skills completed. Now the third is very important, that is speaking skill. So for speaking skills, as I already told you, that I created this channel and continuously I practice through it, okay. Because to if I wait for a perfect time, I know it will never come, and I am like, I will stop there by waiting. So I decided finally to open this and practice the speaking English. So my dear friends, now speaking skill is almost almost improving. You can say day by day I am learning something new. My confidence level is increasing and hopefully it will help me a lot. One day I will absolutely thank myself. So my dear friends, why I am saying this, overall I am saying this for you, because I am applying. Hopefully if you apply, then you will be doing great. So speaking skill is another skill. Please don't compare it with your knowledge or your vocabularies or grammars. It is very different. Knowledge comes here and your speaking skill arises from here. So these two are parallel. Speaking skill should be practiced. It is already, this knowledge already we have, or we can take after when we start speaking. As I am learning vocabularies day by day, new vocabularies, new pronunciation words, different methods. So I will not stop here because still I am improving. Uh, this channel is to get the fluency, and hopefully I will get the I will be fluent. I will be a fluent speaker. One day will definitely come. So my dear friends, in my today's video I had shared these three methods, and because nowadays I am practicing this, and in my upcoming video definitely I will say what are the different other methods which I use whenever I get bored by doing these. So, my dear friends, let's stop here. And if you, yes, I know you all are doing great. If not doing great, then don't worry, don't get demotivated. Hopefully, you will be doing great. So, in my today's video, let's stop here. And if you are watching me till now, then thank you so much. And importantly, if you related with my words, then please start your journey too. Please start your method and apply these on yourself. So, take care and happy learning. Bye.